Lions Calcutta Greater Vidya Mandir spreads over a sprawling campus in Chowhati, a suburb of Kolkata. It is in the cradle of nature, providing a congenial atmosphere for learning.
The school is managed by the Lions Calcutta Greater Education Trust, a registered society which runs the school as a philanthropic venture, with service as its sole objective. We are indeed indebted to LCIF for the 6 grants that we have received from them over the past 2 decades. We are truly grateful and thankful to LCIF for their tremendous support, which has helped us to transform our dreams to reality.
Our classrooms are equipped with state-of-art Wi-Fi-enabled touchscreen smart boards. They have enabled teachers to display attractive graphics and improve lectures with audio-visual tools.
We believe in nurturing a child's quest for knowledge through well-equipped labs in physics, chemistry, and biology.
The Junior Library is a learning hub that promotes love for reading among the tiny tots.
The Senior Library is potentially the central link for effective teaching and learning to empower and educate young minds. We impart computer learning from Class 1, and presently we have 3 well-equipped computer labs for the junior, middle, and senior school with the next generation computers. We encourage extracurricular activities and have introduced yoga, martial arts, and classical Indian dance forms. Ours is a green school as we produce our requirement of energy through the use of solar panels.
Lions Vidya Mandir has an Alpha Leo Club. The Quest program has been successfully implemented in Vidya Mandir, and around 1800 students are benefiting from the same.
Lions Calcutta Greater Vidya Mandir is a co-educational English medium school affiliated to ICC and ISC. It is a school that caters to first generation learners, and it has been the most sought after school in this vicinity owing to its quality education, which is provided at an affordable cost. The relentless effort of the management, especially the members of Lions Calcutta Greater and the SMC, in providing development, expansion, and digitalized education in today's competitive world. The excellent results at the ICC and ISC speaks volumes of what is being offered to the students and all-round development.
We focus on holistic development, which allows students to bring out their talent and creative skills to the forefront. Our students have done their alma mater proud by winning laurels at various levels.
It's a matter of great pride for us that Lions Calcutta Greater Vidya Mandir was adjudged the best legacy project in Isame at the Ahmedabad Forum.
We look up to and adhere by Nelson Mandela's thought, quote, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world," unquote. Lions Vidya Mandir is a product of that change.